Welcome back to another video. Today's tutorial is about this bubble dress I wore in my last vlog, so let's get into it. To begin, I have 2 yards of fabric here. You can use 1 yard, you can use 4 yards, whatever you want, and it's on fold. This here is the folded corner. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my chest circumference and divide that by 2, and then I'll add 5 inches to whatever I have. So that's what I'm going to mark down here. Next up, I'm going to mark the length of my dress, and I'll be adding 5 inches to that figure plus 1 inch for hemming the dress and attaching my elastic band, so that's plus 6 inches. Okay, now I'm going to connect these 2 points together. That's the chest mark and the bottom of the dress mark. I'll just go in with white chalk so it's more visible. I'll cut this out now. I'm going to shape the bottom of the dress here. Now I'm going to cut out the exact same thing again, so I have 2 pieces here now. The next thing I'm going to do is open this up, and this will serve as the front of the dress, and this other piece will serve as the back of the dress. I'll place them right sides together and then I'll sew down the sides. After sewing down the sides of the dress, I'm going to fold the chest area, and I'll leave enough space for my elastic band to pass through. I'll also do the same thing for the bottom of the dress. I'll fold it, leaving enough space for me to also pass an elastic band. When I get close to where I started from, I'm going to leave about 1 inch so I can pass my elastic band through the hole. After sewing, the next thing I'll do is find that hole, that 1 inch hole that I created, and I'll pass my elastic band through that hole. The elastic band circumference I used was my chest circumference minus 10 inches. Now for the bottom of the dress, I will also do the same thing. So I'll find the space that I created and insert my elastic band through. The elastic measurement I used for the bottom of my dress is the circumference of both of my thighs together, because the bottom of the dress has to be snug, like it has to be tight. And yeah, once that is in, this is the result. You're going to have your cute, casual, but elegant dress. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.